Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Mercedes-Benz GLC 2.1 GLC 220d AMG Line Premium G-Tronic 4MATIC, which is a diesel automatic. This vehicle is ULEZ compliant and is finished in selenite grey metallic. To start off with, then, you have your LED high performance headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 19-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with a grey finish, really complementing the selenite grey exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you have an electric gesture tailgate, so if your hands are full of shopping, you are able to open the boot still. Once open, you can find that you've got a large amount of room. You could easily fit in a large suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the black leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and once again you can find that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the car, giving the cabin a nice light feel. The front seats in this vehicle are electronically adjustable, as well as being memory seats, so you are able to save that comfortable position, and they are also heated, ideal for those colder days. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control located on your steering column, allowing you to travel at a constant speed, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at your dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 43,439 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so that you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with this, you have your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. And as well as this, you also have your rear view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. You also have a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and the airflow direction. This has been a presentation on a Mercedes-Benz GLC 2.1 GLC 220d AMG Line Premium G-Tronic 4MATIC that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.